Imagine that you want to start a family, but you find out that you have a fertility issue that will make it difficult to conceive. Thankfully, you find out you can go to a specialist, and through the use of technology, you and your partner can provide some genetic material, and a few days later, you'll have an embryo that can be implanted and you can have a child. Going a step further, picture this. A revolution in parenthood where not just 2, but 3 or even more parents can joyfully claim a genetic bond with a child. Once a realm of pure science fiction, this extraordinary reality is now on the horizon. Thanks to trailblazing science and game-changing breakthroughs, we're not just imagining it, we're making it possible. Ready to dive into the future of family? It's time to rewrite the genetics playbook. Welcome to Future Unfolded. As someone that is in a relationship that is currently experiencing an infertility journey, I'm super excited to talk about today's topic. Did you know that around 17.5% of the population, or roughly 1 in 6 people, experience infertility issues, and that number is steadily increasing due to a number of factors? A key detail about our fertility rate is that to maintain our current population, we need the average number to be approximately 2.1. The global fertility rate in the 1950s was an average of 4.7 and has dropped to approximately 2.3. Countries like Japan are expected to see their populations halve by 2100, even with increasing immigration. Some of this drop is from countries transitioning to higher levels of general development, education, healthcare, but some of this drop is from other fertility factors. Some medical studies have shown that a man's fertility count has dropped by more than 50% in the last 50 years. The need for assisted reproductive technology has increased between 5 and 10% year over year. Amazingly, in a revolutionary display of scientific prowess, Katsuhiko Hayashi of Kyushu University and his talented team have engineered a trailblazing method known as In Vitro Gametogenesis, IVG. This groundbreaking discovery could realize the dream of same-sex couples having children genetically linked to both parents. IVG works on an awe-inspiring principle, transforming cells from various tissues such as skin or blood into pluripotent stem cells. With this transformative power, scientists can morph these cells into any desired cell type. The Hayashi team showcased this by morphing mouse skin cells into functional eggs. This staggering achievement extends hope for same-sex couples and potential treatments for genetic conditions like Turner syndrome, where only one of the 2 X chromosomes normally found in a woman is missing or incomplete. A decade-long journey led to this monumental milestone, positioning Hayashi's team at the forefront of stem cell manipulation for reproductive biology. IVG's potential is profound, promising a future where a simple skin or blood sample from humans could be used to create eggs and sperm, unlocking previously unimaginable genetic heritage possibilities for same-sex couples. This breakthrough could help couples like my wife and I as well. If this technology existed earlier in our journey, we could have created more viable embryos, potentially giving us more opportunities to have a child of our own. But the road to human application isn't without its obstacles. While Hayashi's team aims to reproduce their groundbreaking work with human cells, they must overcome challenges such as extended cultivation periods and potential cellular abnormalities. Despite these hurdles, optimism runs high that these issues can be resolved within the next decade. Harvard Medical School's Professor George Daly, an authority not associated with the research, referred to the breakthrough as captivating, emphasizing the challenges of using this technique on human cells. The study's intriguing results have been submitted for publication in the respected scientific journal Nature, bringing us closer to a future where reproductive possibilities are radically transformed. There's palpable excitement as startups race to translate these monumental achievements from mice to humans. One such company, Conception, aims to generate human eggs from stem cells derived from human blood samples, further underscoring the industry's progress. The UK fertility regulator's recent confirmation of the first babies born through a process that combines DNA from 3 individuals is yet another stride towards the possibility of genetic children for same-sex couples or couples experiencing fertility challenges. This technique seeks to prevent certain disorders from being passed on to future generations and could potentially revolutionize reproductive science. Children born using this technique have less than 1% of their genetic material originating from the donated egg, enabling families with severe mitochondrial illnesses to have a healthy child. However, researchers are cautioning that further studies are needed to ensure the safety and efficacy of these techniques. While there are so many ethical and social questions that are brought up when talking about these new advancements, and they are worth discussing, I don't know that I have the expertise to give any kind of reasonable opinions one way or another, other than to say that I truly believe that those that want children and are willing to go through even a portion of the medical tests my wife and I have gone through should be enabled to become the parents they've always wanted to be. And while these new technologies wouldn't have solved all of the issues my wife and I experienced, they are immensely important. There's an opportunity for a future where those that couldn't have children of their own today could start their families. Welcome to a future where science is redefining the norms of family creation. What do you think about these technological advancements? Would you be in line to use any of them if you needed to start or grow your family? Are you worried about the ethical impacts of these technologies? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.